and welcome back to another video on how to crochet. In this video I'd like to show you how to do a nice, quick and easy treble crochet. That's in US terminology. So I'm going to get ready for my stitch and work in this one here. So I'm going to grab hold of the yarn once, then I'm going to go round again twice, then insert my hook into the next stitch. Then I'm going to pull that yarn through the stitch. So I've got 4 loops on my crochet hook. Next I'm going to go around the back and pull that through the first 2. Go round again, pull through the second 2. And finally go round again and pull through the last 2 stitches. So again, we grab hold of that yarn once, twice, then go into the next stitch, pull it through. So you've got 4 loops on your hook. Then you grab hold, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through the final 2, like so. One last time, go around once, go around twice, then insert your hook into the stitch, pull it through, 4 loops on the hook, and then you're going to pull through them all 2 at a time. So there's first 2, the second 2, and then the final 2. There we go. So that's how you do a nice, quick, easy, neat treble crochet, which will be TRB in your pattern if you're following US terminology. So I really hope this helps you, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.